Food, fun, fireworks, and parades. The 4th of July is just around the corner. Here's your July list of home maintenance tips. Clean your porch lights. If you have glass light fixtures that you can take down real easily, go ahead, pull them apart, and take them inside and wash them up. If you have to leave them attached to the wall, make sure you're turning off the power to the light fixture and getting in and kind of cleaning it up with a damp microfiber towel or cloth. You don't want to do anything that's going to damage the electrical components or cause any kind of electrocution or fire. Check your safety devices. This is a good time of year to check your carbon monoxide or your smoke detectors in your house. People don't realize that they actually break down over time and may stop working. Make sure you're testing them once a year to ensure the safety of your family. Clean your windows. Summertime means the sun is shining, and this is a great time to clean out your windows. Inside, outside, everything you can think of. Make sure that you're keeping them open, allowing in as much natural light as possible. Makes your home feel larger and more airy as well. Check your screens for holes. During the summer, a lot of people like to keep their windows open, allowing in the natural air throughout their house. This is a good time to make sure that none of your screens on your windows have any holes in them. Conserve water. If you live in a place that has extremely high summer temperatures, make sure that if you're watering your lawn, you do it either early in the morning or later in the evening. When it's really hot outside, the water is going to evaporate before it even has a chance to permeate the ground and do any good. Keep your landscape fire safe. If you live in a hot, dry climate, make sure that you're keeping leaves, weeds, and other things out of your landscape and away from your home. You don't want anything to be a possibility of a quick fire starter near the foundation of your house. Check fences. People tend to spend a lot more time outside during the summer. This is a good time to check your fences and make sure there's no holes anywhere if you have pets or kids, or to make sure that if there's anything that needs repair, you can get it taken care of as quickly as possible. Prepare for safe travels. July is a month when a lot of people are traveling around and going on vacation. This is a good time to prep your neighbors to let them know if you're going to be out of town so that they can keep an extra watchful eye on your home and make sure nothing happens while you're away. Thanks for checking out the Aaron Advantage. There's a link in the description below for the article where I pulled a lot of this information. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with everything I post. Boom! Don't put the boom in.